Just look at this fog out here at this particular area this morning, and I'm gonna be back on the road again. So today is 17th of February 2021, and right now the time is 7:45, 7:50 I guess. So very good morning and welcome back to the channel. Trust me, today's vlog is going to be very different from the others. I don't have any fixed plan to go anywhere. As of now, what I've decided is I will take NH2, and whenever I will find a place worth exploring, or if I can find some off-road, I will go there and continue with the vlog. And in this particular vlog, I am going to introduce a few new things which you have never seen before in my vlogs. So yeah, see this vlog till the end, and by the time I get ready, you enjoy these shots. The time is almost 8:30 in the morning, and welcome back to the action camera. My another new ride has started with a lot of energy, positivity, and a hope of exploring another new outdoor. No fixed destination, no fixed plan, no time limit. Maybe the place this time where I'm going to go is not so far away, but also this is a place that I have never been before.
Jungle.
After crossing the crazy traffic drama of our same old Andul road, I finally managed to reach National Highway 2. After riding for around 40 to 45 kilometers, I managed to find a kind of a place that I've been looking for. So I have decided to leave National Highway 2 and I have taken a left turn. মুহূর্তে যেখানে আছি সেখান থেকে বর্ধমানের ডিস্টেন্স হচ্ছে অ্যারাউন্ড 66 কিলোমিটার্স, ঠিক আছে? বিকজ আমার বাড়ির থেকে এই জায়গাটা কিন্তু আই থিঙ্ক ইট কামস উইদিন 45 to 50 কিলোমিটার্স, 45 কিলোমিটার্স আই থিঙ্ক। এই সময় হয়তো বিভিন্ন কারণের জন্য দূরে রাইডে যাবার কোনো রকম মানে অপরচুনিটি নেই, কোনো সিচুয়েশন নেই। যদি একটা বেলাও সময় পাওয়া যায় তাহলে পরে এই ধরনের ছোট ছোট জিনিসগুলোকে ট্রাই করা যেতে পারে। নট অনলি মানে রাইড যারা করে তাদের ক্ষেত্রে তা আমি বাদই দিলাম, যারা দোজ হু লাভ অ্যাডভেঞ্চার, দোজ হু এক্সপ্লোর দেয়ার সারাউন্ডিংস, দে ক্যান অলসো কাম। লাইক মানে এরকমভাবে বাইসাইকেল ট্রিপও করা যেতে পারে, যেগুলো ভীষণ ভালো। মানে আমার মানে বাইকের পাশাপাশি বাইসাইকেল চালাতেও ভীষণ ভালো লাগে, সো বাইসাইকেল ট্রিপও করা যেতে পারে। ওয়েদার ওয়াজ pretty sunny and clear, bright, very nice, but suddenly weather has changed drastically and the whole environment has become something like this. The sky is looking something like this and I think it is about to be rain. I'm not sure. There is a chance of raining. It's all part of the game. Although I have tarpaulin sheets, I have cloth sheets and all. Let's see if I can arrange something, but only problem is that I have my cameras and these water droplets are just not done for a camera, right? So anyways, let's see, let's try to arrange something. Can you see this raindrops fallen on the stop box and everywhere? This is my mobile, and on the mobile also you can see this droplets. I think I'm gonna have a very bad luck today, really. So I think the rain has stopped, right? Although it was a few drops, but rain is always rain. So এটা মানে I am very much fortunate that I will be able to continue with the plans whatever I have done. Now coming back to the plan, আমি বেসিক্যালি দুটো নতুন জিনিস আজকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করব আমার ভ্লগে, মানে আমার ভ্লগে আমি আমার চ্যানেল ইন্ট্রোডিউস করব। সেটা হচ্ছে যে একটা ক্যাম্পিং স্টোভ যেটা আমি নিয়েছি, যেটা একটা খুব পোর্টেবল ছোট্ট একটা স্টোভ, আর একটা হচ্ছে গ্যাস ক্যানিস্টার, যেটার মাধ্যমে বিভিন্ন জায়গায় মানে বিভিন্ন রিমোট লোকেশনে আমরা যখন মোটরসাইকেল ক্যাম্পিং করতে যাই, ইউ ক্যান প্রিপেয়ার ইউর ফুড অ্যাট anywhere you want, right? Anywhere you want, but along with those two things you will have to carry your food. I mean whatever you decide to cook, and like মানে কিছু কিছু utensils ছোট ছোট ক্যাম্পিং, although today utensils what I'm going to use is not basically dedicated to that camping because camping utensils are little different, ঠিক আছে? বাট আজকে আমার মোটামুটি ডোমেস্টিক যা যা ইকুইপমেন্টস মানে ইউটেন্সিলস ছিল সেগুলোই আমি নিয়ে এসেছি। লেটস স্টার্ট উইথ টুডেজ প্ল্যান। এই টপ বক্সটা ইজ ভেরি এক্সট্রিম লেভেল ইউজফুল। What I bought today is this cup, ঠিক আছে? এটা কাপ না, কাইন্ড অফ লাইক মাগ। আর এইটা একটা পট যেটাতে I will cook, and this is the tarpaulin sheet. These are some paper tissues, and now the main part comes. This is the thing I bought this one. I bought this one also. Maybe I will cook one of these two things. And this is mayonnaise, and this is my cam stove which I'm going to introduce a little later. This is one capsicum, this is onion, this is mixed herb, this is black pepper, and this is salt. I have knife, I have chopping board, everything. Let me open everything up first. So hand sanitization is very essential. Before we start anything, it is important to sanitize your hands. So which one should I cook today? What do you say? This one or yeah, that one? Well, I think as I have this mayonnaise and mixed herbs and everything, so it is better to cook this one. Cheesy tomato twist passata by Maggi. Okay. This is the cam stove. It opens something like this. Okay. and this is the place where the fire, I mean spark, comes out. And moment we will connect this, by the way, this is the Hans gas canister. This is actually a mixture of propane 2%, isobutane 23%, and N-butane 75%. This is a mixture, this is gas canister. But this is very safe. I mean, it is 100% made in India and it is safe. I mean, there is no such, negative, feedback which I got against this particular product, right? Anywhere, even from the YouTube also. And it has got these 4 stands also. I mean, this is actually one stand, but it has got 4 sides. So it stands somewhere like this. Wait a minute. Yeah. And what you can do is, you will have to open this particular thing up. And this is the connection. This is where this gas canister connects. And you will have to do it with a little confident. First of all, you will have to make sure that this one is at 0. So yes, I think it doesn't rotate further, so that means this is in 0. I mean, this is closed basically. Now 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, that's good. First of all, you will have to switch on this particular knob, and after that you'll have to switch this one so that the spark comes out and it starts. 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, okay. I think this is on. I mean, although it is not, I mean, the fire is not that visible due to the light outside, but it has already started and it is working absolutely fine. I think I have to add a little bit of more water. This is the time to add some mixed herbs into it. So these are some mixed herbs. It's by Snapin and essential for pasta and pizza, macaroni and kinds of stuffs like that. Wow, looking really nice. I think it is well prepared. No need to prepare anymore. Otherwise it may catch the base surface of this particular pot, so this is the time to switch it off. It is switched off. Yeah, I think it is fine. So what I'm going to use to pick this particular hot pot up is this particular pot gripper I have. Yeah, this is really very nice. This is, I think, fine. Okay, great. The moment of truth. course, this is good. After adding some mayonnaise and that mixed herbs, it has become even more better. Okay, see you a bit later on. Let me just finish it up. So today I really have a very good time. I have tried something new and it was extremely successful. Thank you so much to Mother Nature. Thank God, of course, for making everything right, because when it started to rain, I started to feel like, I mean, very depressed. মানে আমার যেটা মনে হলো যে I've been planning to do something for a long time. Now that I am going to start, বৃষ্টি এসে গেল. So I initially felt bad, but then again when everything started to become absolutely fine, তখন মানে একটা কথাই মনে হলো যে if your intention is honest, if your intention is good and harmless, everything just comes together to help you. Anyways, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and for whatsoever reason, if you like this particular vlog, don't forget to give me a like, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notification. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm your friend Victor signing off for now. Till the next time, adios.